3.
3.
3.
Kennenlernen.
Getting to know others.
Getting to know others.
Hallo.
Hi.
Hi.
Guten Tag.
Hello.
Hello.
Wie geht's?
How are you?
How are you?
Kommen Sie aus Europa?
Do you come from Europe?
Do you come from Europe?
Kommen Sie aus Amerika?
Do you come from America?
Do you come from America?
Kommen Sie aus Asien?
Do you come from Asia?
Do you come from Asia?
In welchem Hotel wohnen Sie?
In which hotel are you staying?
In which hotel are you staying?
Wie lange sind Sie schon hier?
How long have you been here for?
How long have you been here for?
Wie lange bleiben Sie?
How long will you be staying?
How long will you be staying?
Gefällt es Ihnen hier?
Do you like it here?
Do you like it here?
Machen Sie hier Urlaub?
Are you here on vacation?
Are you here on vacation?
Besuchen Sie mich mal.
Please do visit me sometime.
Please do visit me sometime.
Hier ist meine Adresse.
Here is my address.
Here is my address.
Sehen wir uns morgen?
Shall we see each other tomorrow?
Shall we see each other tomorrow?
Tut mir leid, ich habe schon etwas vor.
I'm sorry, but I already have plans.
I am sorry, but I already have plans.
Tschüss.
Bye.
Bye.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bis bald.
See you soon.
See you soon.